Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add stunning frame or border to our video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and for example, I'm going to add border or frame to this video. So I'm going to add this video to my timeline, and if we want to add frame or border, we can use canvas feature. You can go to the basic and then you can scroll down and click on the canvas. Make sure you have activated this canvas, and here we will be able to choose what kind of border or frame we want to apply to our video. You can select blur, color, or pattern, and I'm just going to select color. I'm gonna go with this white color. Okay, and to create border, we need to make our video smaller like this. Okay, and after that, I'm going to create compound clip. We can right click on our video and then click on create compound clip. Okay, and I'm going to crop the video to make it more symmetrical like this. Okay, and now it's done guys, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and I'm going to change the ratio. For the ratio, I'm just going to select custom, and I'm going to select adapted. Okay, click on save. Alright, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create border or frame in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.